Welcome to Secrets of Homemaking. Today, I'm going to share my favorite salad recipe. Before preparing the salad, first we have to fine chop all the vegetables. Into a large bowl, add 1 finely chopped lettuce. After cutting my medium-sized lettuce, I got 2 big bowls of lettuce. If you don't have lettuce, you can use cabbage. Next, add 1 cubed English cucumber. Then, add 2 sliced ripened avocado, which adds more flavor to this salad. To the bowl, add 1 small tomato. If you want, you can de-seed the tomato and add to the salad. Also add 1 small finely chopped red onion to the salad. If you don't like the onion flavor, you can totally avoid using it. Soak 1 cup of chickpeas overnight and pressure cook it with little salt. Though there are plenty of ready-made salad dressing available at the market, I prefer to have the simple homemade salad dressing. Into a bowl, squeeze a half a lemon and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add a teaspoon of pepper powder. You can increase or decrease the amount of pepper as per your taste. Finally, add a half a teaspoon of salt and mix all the ingredients really well. Pour this homemade dressing to the chopped vegetables. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of raisin and also add few coriander leaves. Coriander takes your salad to the next level. Toss all the ingredients using a spoon or fork and that's it. Your salad is ready to serve. You can eat this salad for breakfast, lunch or even for dinner, because this is a very satisfying and filling salad. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how much you like it in the comment section. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye and stay safe.